Michael! Hi! Say hi! So we brought this car guys dito sa Rizal. So first time namin dalhin yung pickup. That's Andrea's I vlogged this car actually before guys, yung Nissan Patrol. Na ano siya talagang for off-road setup siya. Ito this is stock guys, but kaya walang problema. As we say hi, Michael. So guys, may mga nagsiswimming dyan.
Say hi!
Say hi, oh!
Say hi! Hi!
So yun guys, dito tayo bumaba kanina. So not that deep naman. Kasi shallow water lang. Pero mabato-bato. Pero walang problema guys, kahit 4x2 yung pickup mo. Basta you have good clearance, which the Ranger does have. And it has good wading depth. So you won't be scared guys. Of course, dito sa side kami lang eh. Kami lang yata yung tumawid sa ilog. The rest are all here if you notice. All the cars. Kasi mostly crossovers, may vans, may cars. Eh. May mga, and you can see may mga BRV. Eh, may Civic pa nga guys. So, Tucson. So, you can bring any car you want, to be honest with you. Especially sa mga ganitong camping site lang. The roads are light off-road lang naman. Siguro if it rains, baka mahirapan yung kotse kasi madulas. I would suggest to have a all-wheel drive car talaga. Ako, to be honest guys, when I do sell this pickup, I want to get a 4x4 na talagang for this. Just in case we do go off-road, let's say in Baguio or here in Rizal or Antipolo or wherever guys, or Tagaytay. Hindi sayang yung ibang kotse, di ba? Baka masira. So, it's nice to have at least one 4x4 na capable of going off-road talaga. And I have a car in mind. No ba, Michael?
Say all good!
Are you gonna drive? Say hi to my vlog. Say hi. Hi. Do you like this car? This is a nice car, right?
Like the car?
Look at the screen, very big, oh.
What's that?
This one?
What's that?
This one is for pabango. Oh, what's this? What's this, Michael?
Handle is pulling.
Handle pulling. Galing.
Look,
Future car vlogger, guys.
look, there's some
May tukayo.
coins.
Yeah, coins. That's yours.
You got it.
So what are we doing today? We're camping, right?
Yeah.
We're
You like camping?
Let's go Gigi. Let's go Gigi.
so you guys, so
Let's go!
sarap gamitin to. Like I said, compared to the Hilux, I prefer as an all-around pickup, guys. Especially in its 4x2 variant because of the Hilux Conquest 4x2 and this one. I really prefer the Ranger. Of course, the Hilux is good for, I guess, hauling would be better for the Hilux. I'm not sure, guys, because I never hauled anything on the pickups yet. But in terms of just being comfortable, and yung harshness ng car, meaning yung noise, NVH siya, mas okay talaga yung Ranger, guys. You know, ang ganda. Ganda pala dito eh. First time ko rin dito, guys. You know. See? No problem. Just a little dirt from the water. Ayan. Okay naman yung ground clearance. See, still looks good, guys. So if I sell the pickup, I will let you know. I'll vlog it for you guys. And of course, I'll vlog kung ano papalitan namin. To replace this one. So, kain muna kami. I'll see you in a bit. Like I was saying, guys, yun nga. So, super off-road, pinaka-light. Eh, ito, kaya-kaya, guys. Kahit wala, stop siya. No problem on that. Land Cruiser.
Defrosting our sachet.
Yeah, that's okay na.
Ooh.
Magbabayad ako. I don't know sinong girl to sir. How much is entrance here?
Oh, it's okay.
Plastic, sabi ko yung kaso mo. Ayan yan, nandito. Okay lang, itatabi niya na lang. Kasama to dyan eh. Bigyan mo si Benedict. No, Mike. I'm here. Alright. Okay. 1. Sila muna. 1, 2, 3.
Answered my phone. Yeah.
Oh, kami naman, Yaya.
Bye! Take care. Drive safely. Okay.
Bye!
Thank you, Carl. Bye. Thank you.
Pwede.
Good job.
Pwede na.
Nicely done, babe.
Parang Baywatch, ah. Babe, move, babe. Nice. Nice
Okay,
one.
Kasin.
See you guys.